In this very short tutorial we'll look at what a test cross is. So let's just take a monohybrid cross for a minute. Let's take again the example of black and white coat colour in mice, and let's say we have black mice Now black mice could have the genotype big B or big B little b. Either would give you black coat colour. To look at the mice, so to view these mice, you can't actually tell whether they're big B or big B little b. So there is a way that you can determine their genotype, and that is by doing a test cross. And the rule of a test cross is this. You cross the unknown genotype, so the mouse with the unknown genotype, that's this one here, the black one above, with the homozygous recessive mouse or individual. So in this case you cross the unknown, that's the black mouse, with a white mouse, little b, because it is the homozygous recessive. White mice can only be white if they are little b. So if you take a white mouse, it must be little b. So you do this cross. Let's have a look at how this would work out. So if the black mouse was a big B, if it was that, and you crossed it with the homozygous recessive, that's the white mouse, then you would expect to see, so these are the parents, so the gametes would be all big B, and here they'd all be little b. In fertilisation, there's only one possible combination. All of the offspring, that is the F1, the first generation, will be big B, little b. That is 100% of the mice born would be black. And if you repeated this cross over and over and over many times, you would only ever get black mice. If that was the case, if you only ever got black mice after many repeated crosses, you could say with reasonable certainty that the unknown black mouse was a big B. If the unknown black mouse was a big B, little b, and it was crossed with the homozygous recessive, then the gametes would be a half big B, a half little b here, and here they'd be all little b. So you'd have a 2 by 1 Punnett square. So these would be little b, this would be big B, little b. In this case you'd expect to see that half the offspring would be black, because they'd be big B, little b, and half the offspring would be white, because they'd be little b. So if you saw this 1:1 ratio of black to white after many repeated crosses, then you could say with reasonable certainty that your unknown black mouse was, circling the wrong one there, then your unknown black mouse would be heterozygous big B, little b. So that's what a test cross is. It crosses the unknown mouse with the unknown individual with the homozygous recessive genotype in that species.